Barack Obama's foreign policy is dangerous and weak, and Democrat senators support him step for step. They underestimated ISIS and allowed their rise, and voted for a dangerous nuclear deal with Iran, who gives billions to terrorists. Now Obama wants to remove the terrorist detainees from Guantanamo Bay, sending them back to the Middle East, or even to America. And Senate Democrats are ready to follow him yet again. Like Democrat Senator Michael Bennet. Bennet twice voted against an amendment that would have prohibited the transfer of detainees from Guantanamo Bay to facilities in the United States. ISIS, the Iran nuclear deal, Guantanamo terrorist in America. Michael Bennet is just another supporter of Obama's weak foreign policy. Michael Bennet, wrong on national security. The NRSC is responsible for the content of this advertising.